Okay, number 8, a triangle in quadrant 2 is shown below. Okay, so which transformation would create a new triangle that is not congruent to the original triangle? So not congruent means it's not going to be a rotation, because rotation maintains congruency. If you translate it, it maintains congruency. If you reflect it, it maintains congruency. So D is the only option for what's going to change, okay? Number 9, correctly organize the following transformations into those that always preserve congruence and those that may not always. Okay, reflection is always going to preserve congruence. Okay, rotation is always going to preserve congruence. Translation is going to preserve congruence. And then our only one that doesn't is dilation.
That's offensive.
Okay.
Dilation wants to be with
Okay. Number 10. Number 10, a rectangle is located on a coordinate plane. If the ordered pair XY represents a vertex of the rectangle, which algebraic representation describes the effect of translating the rectangle 6 units down and 4 units to the right? Okay, so if we're on our X and Y axis, 6 units down is going to be our Y. Okay, we did this wrong the first time. And then our X is going to be 4 units to the right. So X should be plus 4 and Y should be minus 6. So D is your answer choice. Number 11, quadrilateral ABC is shown below. If quadrilateral ABC is transformed to create the next one, which transformation occurred? Okay, ABC, so X, Y, X negative Y. So what happened if it went from, is it a rotation, reflection? Okay, so if it reflected here, it would go from -2 or -1, 2 to +1, 2. So it can't be a reflection. Yeah, it's changing the Y every time.
It's a rotation.
It's a reflection across the x-axis?
Yeah, it's a reflection across the x-axis, because that would keep the x the same, but it would flip the y.
I think it is. Wait, I'm not sure.
It's not a translation. It's not a translation. But if you reflect it from here, here is this original. Here's the original right here.
Okay.
So what happens to a true reflection? A true reflection flips the, if it's across the x-axis, then it changes the y. So it would be B.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay. And then number 12, triangle ABC, Colby, is rotated 270 about the origin. If point B of the triangle is AB, which algebraic representation best describes? So 270 was what, Tristan? It's not.
It was
Negative YX.
Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong question.
Okay. Tristan, what is it? Y negative X? So Y negative X. Okay. So if we started out with AB, it would be
It'd be A.
B negative A. So B negative A is answer choice A. Sorry, my pen went out, so now we're on winging it. 13. Rectangle WXYZ was dilated to form the next rectangle. So it went from this one to this one. It's getting smaller. So we know it's less than 1. So we mark out C and D. And 3 is 1/3 of 9. And 1.2 is 1/3 of 3.6. So the area of the rectangle is B. And then Sebastian is building a pool, and his backyard is shown below. Sebastian increases the length of and the width of the pool by a scale factor of 3. What is the resulting effect on the perimeter? It will be 3 times the original. Okay. And number 15, The lengths in centimeters of the sides of triangle ABC are shown below. Which statement about the side lengths of XYZ are true? Okay, so they're saying a triangle ABC. I'm just going to make my own. Okay, AB is 15, BC is 8, and CA is 15. Okay, so XYZ, YZ is 10. Okay, sorry my pen doesn't work anymore. So XY, if we scale factor that, how can we find the scale factor? We could say, or we could find the missing side. We could say 8 over 10 equals 15 over X. So 8X equals 150. And divide by 8. Divide by 8. 150 divided by 8. 64. 7. So 18.75. Because the scale factor is 1.25. Yes, answer choice B is what you should have got. Okay, number 16. Triangle ABC is shown below. If triangle ABC is dilated to create triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, which statement is not true? Okay. For a dilation with a scale factor of 3, the orientation of the vertices will be the same. No, not true. Oh, that's not true. Okay, so right here, what's happening? For a dilation with a scale factor of 2 3/4, will be the corresponding sides will be congruent. That's for sure. D is true.
Okay, so D is not.
Orientation is the same. Orientation is the same, so C is the answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay. Do it quietly, though.
Okay.
Tyler,
What?
you've talked the entire time.
Okay.
Shh. Y'all be quiet so I can finish recording this.
Okay.
Really?